it sounds perfect, very, very well. Do you like Lamborghini Uruses? All right. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on yet another one of our videos. In this episode, we are going to be working on a brand new Corvette, so C8 Vet. We have done going upwards of 45 of these vehicles, coming in from full vehicle wraps to full fronts and track packs, but all of them for the most part do get ceramic coated. And then we're going to be working on our new shop car, so stay tuned later on in the video where we're going to reveal that. I hope you guys like it. We're going to get it in, get it cleaned up, and going to start modifying it. So very, very excited about that. So what we're doing, the whole entire vehicle was washed, cleaned. We're going to start throwing on all of these piano black pieces, not piano black, carbon flash is what Corvette calls it, pieces on first, and then we're just going to work our way back. Spend a couple days with this vehicle. I think between the three of us, it's still making noises. Every time you raise these things up, they always creak, and it's not going anywhere. It's not going to fall. It's good. It just makes stupid noises. But anyways, we're gonna jump on this one. Like I said, I actually gotta go out and grab the car from my house. So we're gonna get the vehicle here and get rolling with it. And we are working on a, do you like Lamborghini Uruses? That one's coming in for a maintenance wash. It already had a full front on it, so we wrapped the rest of the vehicle for that client of ours. He just brought it over for us to detail and clean it up. So enjoy the B-roll. I'm gonna go grab the car. We're gonna get it here and show you what we got. All right, so making some very, very great progress on the C8 Corvette. Like I said, we've done a bunch of these, so we're very, very familiar with the vehicle. Wrapping edges per usual, everywhere that we possibly can. So it gets wrapped around the hood here. Fenders coming through, wrapped all the way in here. You can get a little bit closer and see that we do have the edges tucked right along the edge here, wrapped around the headlight. Coming across, you get a little bit of a relief cut here. You have to have that there because it's such a big drop. So what's gonna happen is if you do tuck it, it'll just bubble and lift over time, and it's not gonna look pretty. And once again, we have it tucked right in between the bumper and the fender here. Most likely, we're not gonna tuck the bumper over. Essentially what's gonna happen is the film's gonna be too close together, and it could potentially rub, and it'll bubble it up, so it's not gonna look good. So we'll do it, normally strive for doing it on fenders because rock's coming in and hitting it at this A angle to keep that edge clean. Mirrors are done. We're working on the rear hatch. The door is done as well. Film is tucked all the way under the seal here. Rear quarter panel's done. It'll be tucked all the way around here as well, around the gas cap. Gonna jump on the rear hatch. This is a big piece. We'll get this finalized. Based on the time, I mean, we're gonna have majority of this vehicle done. We'll probably just have the bumpers left for tomorrow, let them dry out and cure. Customer is actually gonna be picking it up on Saturday morning, so we'll get finishing shots of it. But Urus, did we talk about this one yet? So this one is detailed, it's cleaned up. I hope it's locked.
My fault.
darn it.
Darn it, darn!
But anyways, you'll see the videos of the car's interior. It's a beautiful spec. So this one, like I said, we wrapped it a while back and ceramic coated it. Ceramic coating should be basically a standard option on any vehicle and every vehicle. Think of it as an accessory. It makes it so much easier to keep clean. The bugs come off, the shine, the gloss. I mean, everything about it. It's self-cleaning, so if it gets a little bit dirty, the water hits it during rain, cleans it by itself. So it just should be a standard option on every vehicle now. But anyways, we'll get back to work here. Yeah, we'll report back. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the C8 all finished up. It's been totally wrapped in XPEL paint protection film. So very happy with how this vehicle turned out. The usual, you already know how we wrap vehicles here. We got the edges wrapped coming all the way through. I've already explained. Very straightforward. Like I said, we've done over 40 C8 Corvettes so far. Still a challenging car. There's no flat panels on this vehicle at all, so every panel's got a curve, a bend. I guess all I'm gonna say is if you have a C8 Corvette, you want us to work on it, we can definitely get it wrapped. Ceramic coated, which actually we do have another one coming in for a ceramic coating. So we're gonna try to upsell him on paint protection film because that's still the best option that you can possibly get on a vehicle. With that being said, do I talk about the other car now? Yeah. Okay, so I go over there right now. All right, and now for the big reveal, we wanted to show you our new shop car that we had purchased. This is a BMW M8 Competition. If you have been following us on Instagram, you'll already know that we had picked this vehicle up about a couple weeks ago. So this vehicle actually belonged to a good client of ours we've been working with for a while now. We've done a few vehicles for him, including this one. So this one, what we had done was wrap the front end in XPEL paint protection film about 3 years ago. We installed 3D carbon fiber pieces up front, side skirts, rear spoiler, along with the rear diffuser as well. That's about $12,000 worth of carbon fiber parts.
Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber.
We also lowered the vehicle for him. That was done at our last shop, and he optioned out for some BC Forged wheels. So anyways, this is our new shop car. The opportunity kind of presented itself. We were looking at a few different options after we sold the 911 Turbo. I said, you know what, let's get back into a BMW, have fun with this one and see what we can do with it. First order of business is downpipes. If you own a BMW, you know that these cars run so much better with aftermarket downpipes. So I cannot wait to modify this car with you guys. So stay tuned. Let us know what you would like to see us do with this vehicle. Do you like the blue? Do you want to see a different color? But with that being said, let's throw on some downpipes. All right, so I wanted to give you a quick update on what we're doing. The first order of business of what we're doing on the shop car, BMW M8 Competition. So it needs a little bit more noise, right? So we're changing out the factory downpipes to aftermarket ones. That'll open up the exhaust a little bit more. That'll give us that turbo whistle that we're looking for. After this, we're gonna do a stage 2 tune, but before that, we're also gonna throw on some new spark plugs, but cannot wait to show you how this thing sounds like. It sounded okay from the factory with the M Sport exhaust from the manufacturer, but I know with this combo here, it'll definitely open it up. We'll see if we like it or not. If not, we're gonna go in and do a full exhaust system as well. So not sure on what brand we're gonna go with at the moment. Have a couple ideas, but we'll see. All right, so we just finished up with the downpipe installation, and oh my goodness, it sounds insane. A lot louder. I wouldn't say very loud, but a lot louder than what it was before. You know, the catless downpipes paired with the M Performance muffler. So we'll go fire it up. We already had the pleasure of hearing it, doing the initial cold start, but I'll go ahead and do this one for you guys. Let me know if you like it, and if we should just do a full cap back on it as well. Right, I'm not sure if it's going to be a full cold start because it is a little bit warmer, but here we go. What do you guys think? Does that sound good? I think it sounds perfect, very well. The interior of this vehicle is so well insulated that you can barely even tell that the car's modified. But anyways, of course, now we got the check engine light on, so we're gonna go ahead and clear it, get some spark plugs for it, get it tuned to stage 2, and so stay tuned.
I get it.
Might even take the car out and go on a drive. All right, guys, so there you have it. Thank you for watching this episode, and I hope that you enjoyed it. You know, trying to incorporate a few different things from modifying cars to protecting them and taking you on the shop life. So stay tuned for the next video. Like I said, I think that was our buddy with the GT3 RS. But anyways, so stay tuned because we drop an episode every single Friday. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon, leave a comment, like. You know, we want to expand and grow. So with your help, we can definitely do that. And stay tuned for next week's episode. Thank you.